being good, I'm a bad bitch. I'm sick of motherfuckers trying to tell me how to live. Whack hoes hate under my pictures on the gram. Bitch, you better hope I never run across your man.
What's poppin'? Welcome to or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Period. So I really don't know what my life has come to at this point, but I'm about to glue some diamonds on my teeth with nail glue. So basically, I've been seeing on Instagram people have these little jewels on their teeth, and I looked it up on YouTube, and I want some jewels on my teeth, period. So that's what we're about to be doing. I'm gonna be putting some jewels on my teeth. So in order to do this, I've been seeing people use Swarovski crystals, and a lot of people have been doing it professionally, like actually ordering all the dental stuff, but I ain't got time for that. I didn't order too much stuff already, so I'm about to use the stuff that I have. Before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment down below some video ideas that you think I should do, because I'm literally running out of ideas. That's why I haven't been posting. And if you're new here, subscribe. I don't know why you're not already subscribed, but subscribe to become an official member of the Petty Gang, period. All good vibes over here. So subscribe. Anyways, if you don't know, basically I do nails and stuff, so I have Swarovski crystals, and that's what people have been using. I ordered them a while ago. It's in a bad package right now, so excuse it. This is what they look like. They have a big size and then they have a smaller size. I think I'm gonna do a big size, so period. I also have a wax pencil, and y'all, let's just get into it. I'm really ready for this. Yeah, let me show y'all all the stuff that I'm gonna be using, so that if you want to risk your enamel, you can do this with me. I have these diamonds that I ordered on Amazon. This is what they look like up close. I don't know if y'all can really see them that good. Hopefully y'all can see them better when I put them on my teeth. I'm gonna use the largest size. I also have a towel, and I'm gonna use this to wipe all the wetness, all of the slobber and saliva off of my teeth, basically, so that it can adhere better. I think you can order most of this stuff off of Amazon. And I also have this brush on nail glue. I got this from Five Below. So let's go ahead and get into it, because I'm ready to do this. I'm ready to get this over with, period. First, I'm gonna prepare everything to put them on. I think I'll put them on these two. Those are the teeth that I'm gonna put them on. This is what they look like. I wish they were silver, but they kind of have like a reflection to them, like they're a bunch of colors at once. I'm gonna just sit them down on this tray. I just sat them down on this little tray, period. When I pick them up, I'm gonna use my wax pen. So first, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this towel and just make it not wet, and I have this mirror right here to help me put them on. So I'm just gonna rub the wetness off. I'm gonna take this brush on glue and just put a little dot. I'm gonna hook it up with this. I'm putting it on, guys. Ugh, I gotta let it dry. So this is what it looks like, period. Now I'm about to do the other two. Y'all, this feels so weird. This feels so weird. I don't even smile. Why do I have these? Y'all, I did it. I kind of like it. Now I'm about to be smiling all the time, period. Oh my gosh, I'm just really literally obsessed with myself. Like, hey y'all, what y'all doing? How was your day today? Like, was your day great? That's good. That's good. You had a great day? Me too, girl. Like, so Y'all, let's hope my enamel doesn't fall off when these things fall off. But like, yeah, these are really cute. I wonder how long they're gonna last. Probably not long, but hopefully I don't swallow them. You have reached the end of this video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe for more videos like this. I feel so good now that I have these. Like, I feel like I'm Gucci Mane in 2006, bro. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in my next video.